Speaking of strength, our next performance is by a powerfully voiced, yet grade 9 lady. She's shown this school on several occasions just how great she is, and she's back to show us again. Here's Abby Chapman singing Moira.
You're nothing but a liar. I've got shame, I've got scars that I will never show. I'm a survivor in more ways than you know. It's all the pain and the truth I wear like a battle wound. So ashamed, so confused, I was broken.
You can never hurt